Hey guys, so today is a catch, clean, and cook with catfish, and we're gonna eat the eggs from it and fry up the fillet. So we didn't have any grease, so we're using beef tallow. You can use anything, but we use this because we usually use oil, but we didn't have any, so we can use this. We have a bunch of this beef tallow, so we're gonna use that and see it when it melts down. Hey guys, so this is the fish fry we're gonna use, and I think we're gonna add a little bit of flour to it because this is all we have of it. Okay, so this is 350 degrees is that tallow in there, and we're gonna put we're mixing up the eggs in that
the row,
yep, and about to put on it. Oh! Man! Those eggs are popping. So we're dipping in the dough for the batter and everything. I mean the fillets, sorry. We're dipping the fillets in the batter.
Yep, we're double battering. We're gonna put them in the flour first.
Woo!
Careful, Jake.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna put them in the buttermilk and then back in the batter.
Yep, and batter, buttermilk, batter. And then put it in the oven, or the pot. Woo! That's dangerous.
Those eggs are dangerous. I know! Also, hopefully dangerously good, too. Dangerously good.
Okay guys, so we're on our last couple fillets. Also, we got some meat going on our smoker here too. What is it that we're cooking on the smoker again? Brisket. We have some brisket in the smoker for Easter tomorrow. Tomorrow's Easter. It's probably gonna be after Easter that you're gonna see this video, but tomorrow's Easter. Last piece of fish. Oh. We're also having some chips and salsa and my favorite salsa. It's mango salsa. Newman. Okay, we're gonna try some of the eggs. Yeah, you can try some fish and eggs if you want.
Just grab one piece.
Yeah, it's fish.
You want to be the first one to try the eggs, Jake? Or you want me to try?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna try the eggs. Okay, these are the eggs, right? Okay.
You want me to try it first? Make sure it's okay.
No.
Okay.
You can have one little egg.
Wish you had a little sauce, like a little bit of my special sauce out here.
It's pretty good. It's pretty good.
See it.
It's pretty good. Can you try it?
I will. Too much sauce in there.
Oh,
Not bad.
Yeah.
You want a bite?
The aftertaste isn't that good, but
Doesn't have much flavor. You want a little sauce or no?
It's a little fishy. Fish is a little fishy, but yeah.
It's
Just try the
good.
Fish.
Let's try. Good? Catfish?
Pretty good.
Okay. Hey. Yeah, I already. Yeah, I'm gonna try the fish.
The eggs are a little overcooked.
Yeah.
It's a little bit chewy, but it's good.
I'm gonna try the fish. Nice, good piece of fish.
Mommy didn't already make me these nice tacos. I just have a fish taco.
Is that all fish we have?
What?
Said, yeah. I said this was the only fish we had, right?
No, there's a whole bunch more.
Okay.
I just saw a bunch of little pieces.
That's really good. That's
What?
really good.
It was good.
Oh yeah. Trivia and finish eating our
Brandon's Western Lifestyle. Check it out.
You haven't done a video in like so long.
But my video suggestion is the double yogurt egg.
Oh yeah, we're gonna definitely post that.